Hello, so in this video I will demonstrate you like how you can configure your Nextcloud calendar with your Odoo calendar using our module CalDAV Sync. So what you need to do is you need to go to our CalDAV Sync module and create one new account named Nextcloud Calendar. Then you need to select the server type Nextcloud, and here you need to add the URL of your calendar in Nextcloud. Then the username will be the Gmail account or the account with which you have created your Nextcloud calendar, and the password will also be provided from the Nextcloud. After adding the credentials, you need to click on test connection. So once you click on test connection, you will get the notification like the connection is successful and your Odoo's calendar is configured with your Nextcloud calendar. Rest all functionalities like sync direction and send invitation emails, auto creation of the contacts will be the same. The emails will be sent automatically to the attendees added in the event created in your Nextcloud calendar. And if you are adding a new attendee in your Nextcloud calendar and that contact is not present in your Odoo database, so this feature will help you to create the contacts for the same. Then the sync direction, it's up to you whichever you want to keep. Bidirectional will help you to update on both the sides, from Odoo to Nextcloud and from Nextcloud to Odoo. Otherwise you have the one way as well. After configuring these settings, let me go to my Nextcloud calendar. It's the month of August and I'm creating one event on 4th of August. If I click on more details, like it is a one-day event, it's not a recurring event, and here I am adding one mail ID, like I am inviting one attendee to this event. After adding the attendee, I am saving the event, so the event is being created over here. Now if I go to my Odoo and click on the button sync now, so you can see the sync is completed successfully. If I go to the calendar like Odoo's calendar and go to the month of August, so here you will be able to see like the event is created. Now if I update the event name from here, like I click on edit, and I save it. Now again if I go back to the app for the Nextcloud calendar and click on sync now, so the sync is completed. And if I refresh my Nextcloud calendar, if I open the event, so you can see the name will be updated over here. Now if I go to more details, and instead of all day, I am changing the time from 9 to 10, and I'm editing, like I'm repeating the event on every Tuesday after 4 occurrences, and I'm updating the event, so you can see the event has been updated, like it is repeating 4 times every Tuesday in the month of August. Now if I go back to my Odoo database and click on sync now, so if I go to the calendar now, like Odoo's calendar, in the month of August, you can see the recurring event has been created and the time has also been updated. Now from here, if I'm deleting the event, delete this and all future, like I have deleted the event from here. So if I go to CalDAV sync, open it and sync now. So here you can see you will get the notification one deleted. If I again go back to the calendar, so here you can see the events are being deleted. Now I'm creating an event from here, from my Odoo calendar. On the date of 11th August. Save and close. It's a one-day event, and I'm setting the time not for all day but some specific time duration. Clicking on apply and saving the changes. Creating a recurrent event and number of repetitions 2 every Tuesday. Saving it. Then going back to my CalDAV sync and clicking on sync now. So once the sync is completed, if you go and refresh the page, so here also the event will be created as I have created the same in my Odoo's calendar. Now if I delete this event, delete all the events, click on submit. So the events are deleted from here. If I refresh, then you can see from your Nextcloud also the events will be deleted. So this was something about our module CalDAV sync, like how you can sync your Nextcloud calendar with your Odoo's calendar using our module. Thank you.